This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, October the 14th, 2012. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have the energy moving across the western Great Lakes in the middle Mississippi Valley that brought some showers and thunderstorms to the area yesterday and last night. Maybe bringing some showers into the early part of the day today across the eastern part of the state. It's a little bit overdone. I think it'll be ending by the afternoon. Monday completely clears out. Temperatures do warm back up. 60s, maybe lower 70s in the western part of the state. So really no big cool snap coming behind this system. Tuesday, same story. We'll see highs in the 60s, maybe some lower 70s, maybe some mid 70s with southwesterly winds ahead of this storm system moving across the Canadian prairies. Heading into Wednesday, that drifts down into our neck of the woods. Could see some showers, maybe an embedded thunderstorm with this system. And this system does have a bit more cold air with it. And on Thursday, you see it really wraps up. Strong northwesterly winds. Temperatures on Thursday could be held down maybe even in the 40s, especially if we get some rainfall in the northeastern quarter of the state. Friday, this starts to fill in as it moves into the eastern Great Lakes. Still have a northwesterly flow, but temperatures will be a skosh warmer with some sunshine and highs maybe in the 50s. We head off into Saturday. The winds switch around to the south and west again ahead of the next system that's over in the Canadian prairies once again. It seems like that's where the storms are coming from. And a week from today, that storm will be in Saskatchewan and Manitoba with a zonal flow across from the Pacific. And if this ends up being right, which it might not be, we could have a frontal system coming down with a few showers. They'll be pretty isolated at best, but nothing of any big consequence at this point. A couple days later, on the 27th, we have a ridge over the mid-Atlantic and southeast, a trough digging through the Pacific Northwest. Southwesterly flow aloft usually brings some warmer conditions, and it will in this case some showers and maybe a bit of snow well to our north and northwest and along the Gulf Coast in Florida. And at the end of the forecast here on the 29th, we have a trough over the north and west, a ridge over the south and east, southwest to southwesterly flow aloft around here. And that brings pretty warm conditions around here with some southwesterly winds aloft, but some showers are possible with a storm system coming out of the Rockies and into the high plains. Last night's satellite image showed some showers and thunderstorms with some cloudiness with this storm system. The upper level low was in Nebraska. The cloudiness extended from southern Minnesota through Iowa, Missouri, down into Oklahoma and to Texas. The watch warning map from last evening, a bit before midnight, had some severe thunderstorm and tornado watches down there. A few warnings also, a few flash flood warnings there as well. Wind advisory to our east in Illinois, Indiana, and into northwestern Ohio as well. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, showing most of this rain occurring today and last night, only about a quarter to a half an inch with that storm at midweek.